Namaskar. India Meteorological Department wishes you very happy Dasahara and welcomes you in its daily weather briefing. So first of all, if we look into 24 hours rainfall, that is rainfall from 8:30 hours IST of yesterday to 8:30 hours IST of today, then under the influence of the low pressure area over West Central and adjoining Northwest Bay, North coastal Andhra Pradesh district of Srikakulam has reported 7 centimeter rainfall and 6 centimeter rainfall has been reported over Paradeep, that is over southern parts of Odisha. Also, light to moderate rainfall has been reported over Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Rayalaseema. If we come over to the weather warning during next 5 days and over the synoptic systems, then we can see that there is a low pressure area lying over West Central and adjoining Northwest Bay of North Andhra Pradesh, South Odisha coast, and another low pressure area is lying over Southeast Arabian Sea adjoining Lakshadweep area of Kerala coast. So, under the influence of this low pressure area over Southeast Arabian Sea, there is a probability of heavy to very heavy rainfall during next 3 days over coastal and south interior Karnataka and Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So, over these four subdivisions, isolated heavy rainfall with fairly widespread to widespread light to moderate rainfall is likely during next 24 hours. And on tomorrow, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, Ghat areas of Tamil Nadu are likely to receive isolated very heavy rainfall. And day after tomorrow, the rainfall over uh, this region decrease and there is probability of only isolated heavy rainfall over Kerala and Tamil Nadu on 17th of October. Now, if we come over to the northern parts of the country, then there is a severe weather conditions are approaching during 16th of October to 18th of October, as we can see in this weather warning graphic, which is showing thunderstorm activity and heavy rainfall activity over northwest India. So that rainfall pattern, that rainfall activity is and thunderstorm activity is associated with the easterly lower level easterlies associated with this low pressure area, and there is a western disturbance today, which is running roughly along longitude 62 degrees east to the north of 28 degree latitude to the north of 28 degree north. So this, as far as this western disturbance is concerned, it is likely to persist during next 2 to 3 days at around 65 degree of longitude, and it is likely to dip further into the Arabian Sea, bringing moisture into the mid levels from the Arabian Sea, and this low pressure area is likely to move west northwestwards towards North Maharashtra during next 2 3 days, and then it is likely to move northeastwards during subsequent 2 to 3 days, moving towards central parts of Uttar Pradesh. So, under the influence of interaction between this western disturbance, that is the under the influence of interaction between mid-level westerlies associated with this western disturbance and the strong lower level moisture laden easterlies associated with this remnant of this low pressure area, there is likelihood of thunderstorm activity and heavy rainfall activity during 16th to 18th of October. As we can see, on 16th of October there is a possibility of thunderstorm over Jammu and Kashmir, लद्दाख, गिलगित बाल्टिस्तान, मुजफ्फराबाद, हिमाचल प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड, पंजाब, हरियाणा, उत्तर प्रदेश, East Rajasthan, and Madhya Pradesh. And on 17th of October, this activity would get intensified, and there is a possibility of very heavy rainfall at isolated places over Himachal Pradesh, over Uttarakhand, and over northern parts of Madhya Pradesh. On 18th of October, this very heavy rainfall likelihood of it would continue over Uttarakhand and over northern parts of UP. Although heavy rainfall likelihood is not there for Punjab and Haryana and over East Rajasthan during this period, but thunderstorm activity with light to moderate rainfall at isolated to scattered places over Punjab, Haryana, and East Rajasthan is very likely during this 16th to 18th October period. And as this after 18th, as this western disturbance moves westwards, so the weather over these areas, over this northwest India plain, over Punjab, Haryana, over HP, Uttarakhand, and West UP, and Rajasthan and MP would be almost dry. Just isolated drizzle or light rainfall would be likely from 19th of October. So this is our main warning zone during 16th to 18th of October. If you are heading towards touring purposes towards hilly areas of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, then please schedule your visit towards these hilly areas during this 16th to 18th October period. And as far as this thunderstorm activity is concerned, so over Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand, there is hailstorm likelihood also during 17th to on 17th of October. There is probability of hailstorm over these three subdivisions, and also there is a squall, that is a wind from 50 to 60 gusting to 70 kmph is also likely over Uttarakhand on 17th and 18th. So this is all about the weather warning during next 5 days. And as far as other areas are concerned, so over Vidarbha, there is isolated heavy rainfall likelihood with fairly widespread light to moderate rainfall during 16th and 17th. Over South Chhattisgarh, there is isolated heavy rainfall likelihood on 16th, and over Madhya Pradesh, there is isolated heavy rainfall likelihood with scattered light to moderate rainfall on 17th of October. Now, as far as withdrawal of southwest monsoon is concerned, so we can see that the area where from southwest monsoon has withdrawn is shown in white color, and the gray shaded area is the area where southwest monsoon remains to be withdrawn. So once this weather system for northwest India and adjoining central and east India is this weather system gets away, then this further withdrawal of southwest monsoon, there will be condition would become favorable for further withdrawal of southwest monsoon, and thereafter the conditions would be become favorable for onset of northeast monsoon. So that's all for weather warning for today. Tomorrow we will again meet for daily weather briefing for next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.